So this here is my garden. This is what I've been working on for my weight. I've been hoeing. Oh, look right here. This, I believe, is a yellow watermelon. Yeah, at the store you get red watermelon. And then there's butternut. I got that. Over here I got some zucchini coming out. And this section here is what I first started it this year. Now over here is where I'm expanding it this year. And this half here was about a month or so ahead of that one. Oh, look, got some cucumbers, more zucchini. We do like fried zucchini, by the way. And over here we have some squash, cantaloupe, other things over here that I added to it. Ultimately, I'm going to have about 76 mounds here. Everyone's 4 feet apart to avoid the yellow mold I got last year, or the white mold. More squash. I did this for my mother. She loves this stuff more than anything in the world, and since I lost her, I'm not going to eat a lot of this. And here's some yellow squash hiding in there. It's about the size we're going to be picking too. I got a whole bunch of it I'll be picking out. Got more watermelon there. A lot of yellow squash. This here, I believe, is my cantaloupe. Right there, I got 2 cantaloupes for me. And I was having trouble with seeds earlier, so I made 6 mounds and just poured a bunch of seeds in there because after this first batch was planted, I kept trying to do more in anticipation of clearing off the grass over there, but nothing would come up. So I planted these mega mounds. I made 6 mounds and just poured seeds. These are cantaloupe. They all need to be separated and put elsewhere. These ones here are tomatoes. And some weeds, by the way. And over here is my okra. And some of each of those mounds have already been planted over here. Now, one of the things I'm kind of excited about this year that's new is artichokes. I've got 1, 2, and then 3 artichoke plants. And apparently they come back every year, so I'm looking forward to that. This is my last time of doing artichokes. If it doesn't make it this time, I'm just not going to do it. And I've got 9 of these yellow squash. I've got a lot of yellow squash coming. So that's just what I've been doing. And I come out here every day, except for the last 2 storms. And first thing I do is I weed. I weed my garden every day. And then I take my shovel here and I start cutting up and removing this grass. And then I take this grass and I take a wheelbarrow and move it out to my driveway, where I am filling in some spots to make it smoother. Anyway, I thought I'd let you guys know and see my garden. I'm rather proud of this. It's looking pretty good. Although my main consumer is now gone, but I'm sure there are others. I'm actually thinking about setting up a fruit stand or a veggie stand at the end of my driveway, and just see if anybody wants to stop by and buy some fresh garden vegetables. Y'all take care.